Smart Recovery's ABC tool is a powerful approach to help us understand and manage our reactions to the situations we encounter. Emotional upsets are often triggered by situations A. that lead to automatic thoughts or beliefs, B. resulting in emotional or behavioral consequences, C. For example, if someone cancels plans with you, A. you might think they don't value your friendship, B. leading to feelings of sadness or rejection, C. using the ABC tool, you can examine those beliefs, B. to see if they're accurate. Maybe your friend had an unavoidable issue. When people are in uncomfortable or acute emotional states, like anger. Or perhaps it's an opportunity for you to enjoy some unexpected alone time. When people are in uncomfortable or acute emotional states like anger, despair, and shame, they are more likely to cope by engaging in their addictive behavior. So the healthier B and C can help you reframe your situation and feel more in control. This process of pausing and challenging these unhelpful beliefs becomes easier with practice. Those uncomfortable emotions can even be your clue to check in on your belief right in the moment. Through the ABC tool, you're mastering the art of navigating your thoughts and emotions, laying a solid foundation for a healthier, more balanced life. Learn more at smartrecovery.org.